What do you think, Ramy? Huh? It's a beautiful Monday morning. It's raining. Wasn't supposed to rain anymore Monday. Oh, hi, Willow. Are you a coyote? Wasn't supposed to rain anymore. Or wasn't supposed to rain on Monday. They backed it all off till gonna have snow now on like Wednesday. But it's raining. Only supposed to rain potentially for like a couple hours. And I don't even think it's gonna rain that much. But the week's off to a good start. Too good, Ridge. Oh, Grandma wants to talk. I think, Willow, huh? You're a good dog. You're a good dog, huh? Yeah? Yeah, you're a good dog, huh? You coyote looking thing. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Nice and overcast. Supposed to maybe rain a little bit this afternoon. Didn't get hardly any video yesterday because just got busy. Moved this cleaner to Goodridge to the neighbors. He was texting me. Are you texting me, Willow? No. Grains Corp. Moved the cleaner to Goodridge, and then just got busy cleaning, and then had a tractor fire in the later afternoon, so forgot to video more stuff. Not our tractor fire, just went with the fire department. Actually, it was a neighbor who burnt his tractor. Must have got junk on the muffler or something. It was a nice new case. So yeah, it was exciting. Lots of busyness yesterday and forgetfulness to video show. And now it's kind of chilly, cool, but Andrew moved the cleaner last night to another neighbor's and do his wheat today. Oats. He's got like 500 bushel oats, so it's gonna be a pretty easy one. And then move south to another neighbor's. He's got oats. No, he doesn't have oats. He has wheat and peas. So, and then we might be done the whole area here, and then start to head east back to Saskatchewan. Oh, and loading wheat out today too. So, it's gonna be busy again. Here's how my day's going. Yeah, I'll start the truck up. Gonna put the grain cart, dump the grain cart in the truck so that I can dump the truck in the bin with that auger. Then I gotta put that auger in that Butler bin there, cause I'm gonna put the grain vac in the other bin. Hi, Rexy. To suck the wheat out, the first load of wheat, or the first bit of wheat. That bin, gotta use the grain vac because the auger's too long and you run into the shop. So it's like, okay, yeah, I dump this grain cart into the truck, use that auger to fill that bin, then bring that auger back here, stuff it in that bin, and then put the grain vac over there. I hopped in this tractor, started it, flipped the auger out, and I was like, you dumb ass. Wow, like it is too early in the morning for me. I don't know what. I was like, see that auger there? That can load right into the Super Bee. Wow, it's too, we haven't even started seeding and my brain is kaput. Like, like what'll happen when we actually get to seeding? Like, lordy jumping, man, 11. My brain shot already. Not thinking at all. Man. Oh. Oh well. I've thought about it now. So, did a Bull Harris. It hook you up to the grain vac. Actually, I should grease your PTO shafts. Haven't been done since we've been mowing. Fill you up with oil. Just a cute little tractor. Just a little cute little tractor like you, Rexy. Just a cute little thing. Off to the next. Big thing. And it's raining, holy moly. Davey's here is mulching power lines. It's raining actually pretty good. April showers bring May flowers, they say. Hopefully they're right. Now we're cleaning over in St. Lina at the Boucher Ranch. Oh, this is a truck I am so jealous of. He's got two of them. A tandem, or twin steer tandem. It's like a tri-drive. Oh, I love that truck. And of course this sexy corn binder. Cleaning wheat out of the Super Bees, if I can shift. I had a nice trailer too. They got some nice stuff here. And sometimes it's nice actually cleaning in the field versus in the yard. A lot handier. Something is not as it should be. Someone was feeding cows. It looks like. Oh. Well, we actually got more in there than I thought. It's about 3/4 full. So now we're gonna dump whatever's in the grain cart into it. And then if we need more, we'll suck out of this bin. So, but we'll see. This grain cart actually got quite a fair bit in it, so we will see. Grain cart couldn't quite fill it. So we topped it off with out of the bin. Look at that. We got one bin of wheat now, well, minus the seed. I love it when a plan works out. Off to wherever it's going. I think it's going to Husky and Lloyd for ethanol, I think. At least that's where the other load of feed through this broker, Constantini, went. So I'm guessing it's going to Husky, but we'll see. Anyways, got that done. Now I'll go back to the seed cleaner. Andrews, we shut down because it's raining. And it quit raining, so he's back there cleaning. So I have to load this guy up and He had a finished tarp in his load. And he gone. Look at that. The yards. Oh, I still gotta clean all this crap up. But one more thing done. What is this liquid stuff on the road? Woo! Oh my goodness! Like WTF, OMG. Should I phone 911? Like, what is this? Is it bad? Ooh. Back to cleaning. The rain quit and the snow started. It ain't April in Alberta if it doesn't snow a bit. And it's getting cold. So we've been sitting in the shack here, almost done one hopper apiece. Look out. And it's winter time. It's like sleet / snow / rain. It's like ice, balls, crystals, whatever it is, it sucks. Ugh. Man. Oh well, we'll stay in here where it's warm. I got lots of stuff. Yeah. Stay in here. And just like that. Peas are done. Yeah, auger's running out. Ooh, and it's cold. And the wind's blowing like crazy. And if you look close enough, you can see the snow. It's time to go home and have a nice hot shower. Oh, it is cold. It's supposed to be -1 right now. Feels like I don't know what. And it's starting to snow. So Steven fed cows last night when we went to finish cleaning. And then it wasn't supposed to snow, but now it's snowing. So since he's at work, I'm gonna quickly throw out some straw bales. And normally we use the bale processor, but all the tractors are hooked up to everything else, and we haven't actually ran the new bale processor yet. So it's like, we'll wait. But so Andrew's in the Bobcat. Open the gate, and it's like, here is the scene of the crime for what happened to when the window died in the Bobcat. Got all this glass here. So this is where it died. There we go. Mama's got their bales on a hill. They'll be good. Could have got some twine bales, but I'm lazy today, so picked some net wrap bales. Abby! Hi, G6. You got a nice little boy. Nice little bull calf. Hey? Hey, buddy, how's your ears? Not froze? Yeah. Here you go, boy. Yeah. You're a good mama, too. Let's go see what else has popped this morning. Ooh, coffee time. Finally got back. Went shopping at Sobeys. Got some fancy ass stuff. On the second truck of wheat. Got one more truck after this truck to do. Yeah. It's going pretty good. Nice. Looks like CPS wheat. Nice wheat. Just east of Bonnyville. It's some nice wheat too. Look at, like, barely any screenings coming out either. Just nice. I remember growing wheat like that once. Nice wheat. Back when we had all our ducks in a row and poop in a group. This year our ducks will be in a row and poop in a group, maybe, hopefully. Ooh, look at the wheat. Supposed to be the last tandem load, but it's a pretty cool truck here. Sexy little Peterbilt with Not only does it have the nice switch here to lift your box up, it's also got a switch so you can open your tailgate or your chute or whatever you want to call it. Plus, it's got electric tarp on a tandem. Like, this is the kind of thing that a person dreams of their whole farming life. You know, then once you're old, senile, on death's doorstep, and then you can finally afford all this cool stuff. Like, this is what wet dreams are made of. Like, it's just so cool. You control it over right here, and he's got a remote. And this truck doesn't have electric tarp, but it's got all the other stuff. It's like, it's just amazing. Like of all the dumb stuff I've spent money on and lost money on, it's like could I not have spent money on like more practical things, like something that's like makes hauling grain just so handy and so convenient and so nice? It's beautiful. Makes me wonder what I'm doing some days. When you look at some people's nice stuff like this, you're just like, what am I doing wrong? I should go to town and get a job. What a beautiful auger. And look at that. Do it remote controlledly. So cool. So cool. And this auger, a 1053, you're like, oh, what I would do to have one of these. R46 works really good. No two ways about it, but like we could fill almost all our bins with this auger. Packed up. Away we go.